Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS Grid. And we're going to learn about using the autofill when we're using the repeat function. So we learned that when you use the grid template columns, we can have it repeating with that function, taking the first parameter is how many times you want it repeat. But instead of hard coding how many times you want to repeat, you can say autofill, and that will fit it accordingly to how you have it. So if it's smaller, it depends on the column size and then the size of your container. So if it's smaller, if there's too much items in the grid and it can't fit it all in the grid columns, it's going to make a new row. And we can see it here. So for example, for this exercise, they want us to have a minimum width of 60 pixels and a maximum of 1 fraction, and we want autofill. But if we make the screen small, we still see that it holds the 3 columns. But if we change it to autofill, we see that it makes down new rows, as it says here. If your container can't fit all your items on one row, it will move them down to a new one. And then if we spread it out, it will come so it fits the 5 different divs inside of it, because it makes a 60 pixel and it's a fraction. And since there's no more, it'll just go like that if it spreads more than what's there. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.